when you're holding your bow and you pull back on this string with no arrow and you release it, does anybody know what that's called? Anybody?
Dry fire.
Yeah, you should know. You've been here before. Yes, it's called dry fire. Not a miss, because there's not even an arrow on there, right? So the reason why we never, ever, ever want to dry fire, sorry guys, is that you are creating what is called potential energy when you pull back on this string. So you can pull back right now like this. So I've made a bunch of potential energy. If you do not have an arrow on there, all of that potential energy, when it turns to another kind of energy, kinetic, it doesn't have the arrow to go into, so it goes into the bow itself, and it can vibrate and it can shatter. And because you're holding it close to your body, and I'm going to be standing close to your body, we don't want that to happen, right? Yeah, you want to always aim at the target. Now when we get up there, our target is going to be a round piece of rubber material, like foamy rubber. We call that down range, where the actual target is. So you'll see it'll be very obvious to you up there. So you always want to aim in that direction, especially when you have it pulled back. You know, if you have it just in a resting position, you still want to keep the tip of the arrow pointed down range toward our target. You don't want to like point it at somebody's eyeball, because eyeballs are important, okay? Should you aim up into the sky? Fire an arrow up there? Why not?
Comes back down.
Yeah, what goes up comes down, right?
Yeah.
And if you're really good, it comes right back down on you,
Yeah.
not somebody else. So you don't want to fire up into the air. We're not going to shoot if there's anything that we don't want to shoot downrange. When we go to collect arrows, there will be nobody on the firing line. When you're shooting, you can be up near the quivers, of course, with me. If you are not shooting, however, you need to stay behind this tree.